Ever wondered why someone behind bars can't vote? But a murder-accused candidate can still become your lawmaker? Sounds bizarre, right? Here's how it works. The Indian Constitution says, if you're convicted of certain crimes, you can't vote or contest elections for a while. That's supposed to keep our lawmakers clean, but, and it's a big but, if you're only accused. If your trial's still on, you face no such ban. In fact, there are MLAs right now with serious charges. There are MPs right now with serious charges. Murder, bribery, extortion, actively representing us. Now, this isn't just a weird coincidence. It's actually a loophole in our laws. The idea was to protect innocent until proven guilty. But in reality, it's become a backdoor for some. People with criminal backgrounds enter politics using endless court delays to their advantage. Meanwhile, if you're convicted, even for minor offenses, you lose your right to vote for years. And if you're in jail awaiting trial, still can't vote. So someone accused of a serious crime can run the country. But someone convicted of a lesser crime can't even cast a ballot. Makes sense? Not really. Shouldn't the rules be fair and protect democracy, not twist it? Maybe it's time for a serious rethink and a strong push for reform. Let's make our constitution work for all of us, not just a clever few. If you agree, hit like and share. Let's get this conversation started.